Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Varo Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in varo.com and click on enter. Now you will be directed to official homepage of Varo Bank. At the top right corner, you can see many options where you will see a login button here. Click on it. Then a login page will appear. You can accept all cookies here. After that, type in your email address and password. You can click on this I button to ensure that you have typed your password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget password link to reset your password. Then click on login button to log into your Varo Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.